Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming legal prerequisites and immediate actions. Obtain your business registration, EIN, and any state mechanic or hazardous waste permits so you can operate legally. Once done, secure a location that meets zoning and has sufficient square footage. Make sure the lease includes repair-appropriate clauses. Then assemble a realistic startup budget. Plan for at least $15,000 for tools, initial inventory, and deposits, and pre-qualify suppliers so you can order parts as soon as you open. Now focus on setting up operations and staffing. Lay out efficient workflow with clear bays, organized part storage, a customer area, and safe lift placement to minimize walk time and liability. Recruit certified technicians and decide between employees and 1,099 contractors. Make sure compensation aligns with local labor costs so you can retain talent. Next, install an inventory and POS system, a scheduling platform, and safety protocols. This reduces mistakes and keeps repair times predictable. Finally, launch with a soft opening, targeted promotions, and partnerships with local fleets so you get steady work quickly. Track key performance indicators, labor hours, average ticket size, parts margin, and turnaround time, so you can adjust pricing and staffing proactively. Make sure to request reviews and build a referral pipeline to sustain growth. If problems arise, use one troubleshooting tip. Maintain a contingency fund and backup suppliers. And cross-train staff so you can absorb workflow disruptions without losing customers.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.